colder in May. But this year, when was Easter? In March or April? Yeah, so during Easter it was so hot, I was just in the t-shirt here.
Really?
And 1 week later, it will snow again.
Really? Oh. I was thinking I have to come back next year for a few days. But when is the best time to come?
Oh, I don't know, I like it.
Huh?
Because you never know when come rain or something storm.
Yeah.
You are in the mountains, yes, so
Yeah, because we booked it on Sunday and it got cancelled because there were like rain forecast.
oh really?
Yeah. Said 90s.
So sad.
Yeah, it cannot be like this. If you stay for 1 week, you might get through this.
Yeah. I'm still planning that I come with my daughter for a couple of days. Walking because because I have time, maybe in September sometimes. It will be colder. I don't know because I was
Tak coś tam
in